Right now, multi-billion-dollar tech companies are using world-class human behavioral psychology to keep your eyes glued to screens. Every second you scroll, they profit. But here's the good news. You aren't lazy, and your brain isn't broken. You're just hyperstimulated. Today, we are breaking down the complete action guide from Thibaut Meurisse's book, Dopamine Detox, so you can reclaim your focus and steal your time back. First, we have to understand the business model. Social media platforms are engineered to monetize your focus. The chemical driving this is dopamine, and contrary to popular belief, dopamine isn't satisfaction. It's the restless urge for more. Every time you fall into a scrolling loop, you are giving away focus that could have been spent on your career, your finances, or your personal goals. Your mind uses subtle tricks to rationalize distraction. It tells you that jumping back to deep work will be easy, that excitement is the same as fulfillment, or that you'll miss out if you don't check feeds continuously. To break the habit, you have to rate how often you fall for these mind traps on a scale of 1 to 10 and catch yourself in the act. To reset your baseline focus, pick a detox protocol that matches your level of burnout. A 48-hour weekend reset for deep overstimulation, a 24-hour protocol for chronic habits, or a half-day reset when focus slips mid-week. Crucial rule: while detoxing, journal your urges. Writing down what you crave uncovers your exact emotional triggers. How you start your morning sets your cognitive baseline for the entire day. If you scroll in bed, you spike your dopamine early, making low-stimulation tasks like deep work feel excruciating later. Rule number 1. Plan your priorities first thing in the morning on paper before opening any digital app. Willpower fails. Environment design wins. You need to engineer friction. Add friction to bad habits. Log out of social accounts, turn off notifications, or put your phone in another room during focus hours. Remove friction for good habits. Prepare your workspace, tabs, and daily target the night before, so starting takes zero effort. Beware of open systems, endless feeds, unread inbox badges, and dozens of browser tabs that continuously pull at your brain power. Replace them with closed systems. Structured workflows with strict boundaries, defined start/end triggers, and zero incoming noise during work windows. The biggest mistake people make is trying to overhaul their entire life in one day. That leads straight to overload and rapid relapse. Apply the one habit rule. Isolate the single worst distraction ruining your focus right now. Target only that issue for 30 consecutive days until the new pattern becomes second nature, then move to the next. When it's time to work, execute this 5-step blueprint. Work at the same place and time daily. Use a specific entry trigger. Commit to just 5 minutes to cross the starting friction. Eliminate all inputs and notifications. Then execute 45 minutes of uninterrupted, pure output. Every minute of focus you take back from tech platforms is an investment in your own future. If you got value from this breakdown, hit subscribe, save this video for your next reset, and comment below. What is the single biggest distraction you are cutting out for the next 30 days? Let's hold each other accountable.